How to fix Instagram late notification problem. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. First, you'll need to check notification settings in your device. So navigate to the option Notifications. From the list of the apps, find Instagram. Make sure you have enabled for the option Allow Notifications. Likewise, check in for the option Immediate Delivery. Then, toggle on for all these options. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is head back to the main page of settings. Then, navigate to the option Focus. Make sure you haven't enabled for any of these options. In case you have enabled it, disable it. Now head back, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, next thing you want to do is launch settings again. Click on the option General, click on Software Update. If you found out any updates over here, just update your software to its latest version. Lastly, what you want to do is give a quick restart to your device. With these solutions, you will be good to go. Now you'll be getting notification in time. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.